This is your life, and this is the life force of a hydraulic system. Today, we are mastering hydraulic pumps from A to Z. Look at any hydraulic schematic. You see that black triangle? That represents the direction of power created by the exact union of pressure and flow. Because the pump is the starting point that releases this power to the entire system, its symbol is perfectly designed as a black triangle inside a circle. Most people think a pump creates pressure. Wrong. A pump actually creates a fluid flow. It is the resistance from within your system against this flow that ultimately turns into pressure. From your vehicle's braking system to massive industrial machinery, this pump is the heart of it all. If the pump's performance drops, the entire system goes completely dead. Based on application and technology, there are three main types of hydraulic pumps. First, let's talk about gear pumps. These are fixed displacement pumps. That means the flow cannot be changed. It is absolutely constant. Generally, these operate at a medium pressure level of around 3,600 psi. Because they have an incredibly high tolerance for contamination in the oil, you will see them heavily used in machines like loaders. Next, vane pumps. The unique advantage is that many vane pumps offer variable displacement, allowing you to precisely control the fluid flow. Their pressure typically ranges from 2,600 to 3,000 psi. Because they deliver incredibly smooth and virtually silent operation, they are the absolute top choice for stationary industrial machinery. Finally, the absolute powerhouse of the hydraulic world, the piston pump. These beasts can withstand colossal pressures of 5,800 psi or even higher. By utilizing a swash plate, they can control the fluid flow with absolute surgical precision. Because of their extreme high efficiency, piston pumps are mandatory for heavy-duty applications requiring massive power, like excavators and cranes. Simply put, use gear pumps for low cost, vane pumps for quiet operation, and piston pumps for maximum pressure and efficiency. But remember this golden rule: the lifespan of any pump is completely dictated by the cleanliness of your hydraulic oil. We can divide all these pumps into two main categories: fixed displacement and variable displacement. Fixed displacement means that the volume of oil discharged in every single revolution of the pump is strictly constant. But with more advanced variable displacement pumps, even while the pump spins at the exact same RPM, we can increase or decrease the fluid flow exactly as needed. The massive advantage here, it delivers power only when required, which permanently prevents unnecessary oil overheating and drastically saves fuel. To put it simply, fixed displacement is like a machine always doing the exact same amount of work no matter what. Variable displacement is the intelligent method, dynamically adjusting its own power based on the actual job at hand. Now, let's talk about specifications. To select the exact right pump for your needs, you must understand these critical data points on its nameplate. The absolute most important spec is displacement. This tells you the exact volume of oil the pump pushes out in one single revolution. In the US, this is typically measured in cubic inches per revolution. Next is flow rate. This is the total volume of oil leaving the pump every minute, measured in gallons per minute or GPM. The operating speed of your cylinders and motors is entirely determined by this specific flow rate. Maximum pressure. This is the absolute highest pressure measured in psi that the pump can safely handle. If you exceed this limit, the pump can instantly shatter or even explode. Finally, RPM, or revolutions per minute. This dictates the exact speed the pump must be driven to operate at peak maximum efficiency. You also need to verify the mounting style, like a foot mount or a flange mount, and checking the direction of rotation is absolutely critical. Selecting the right pump is only half the battle. Installation is where most people fail. A bad installation can destroy a brand new pump in mere minutes. When installing a pump, you must follow these 4 mandatory rules. Rule 1. Perfect shaft alignment. The motor and pump shafts must be in a perfectly straight line. Rule 2. Priming. You must fill the pump housing completely with oil before starting it. Never run it dry. Rule 3. The suction line. Seal it perfectly so absolutely no air can leak in. And Rule 4. Always double-check the arrow on the housing to ensure the pump spins in the correct direction. Now, let's look at maintenance and troubleshooting. To truly protect your pump, using the correct oil, changing oil filters exactly on time, and strictly controlling your system temperature are absolutely essential. But the #1 most ruthless enemy of any hydromic system is contamination. When water, tiny metal shavings, sand, or dirt mix with your oil, it acts like liquid sandpaper. It rapidly scores and tears apart the ultra-precise internal surfaces of your pump. Always guarantee your oil is 100% pure. If you ever hear a strange, gravel-grinding noise coming from your pump, you have 2 major suspects. One is cavitation. This happens when a restriction in the suction line creates a massive vacuum, causing oil vapor bubbles to violently implode. The second is aeration. This occurs when a leak in the suction piping or a low oil level in the tank draws outside air directly into the fluid. Both of these deadly conditions will violently tear away metal from the inside, destroying your pump in record time. Also, if your pump is overheating or if your machine is operating noticeably slower, it means the internal components are heavily worn, causing massive internal leakage. Identifying these failure symptoms early is the only way to save your pump from total catastrophic destruction. A pump is the absolute heart of your system. By protecting it correctly, you can increase the lifespan of your machine by years. I hope you gained true engineering value from these facts today. We will meet again in another deep technical masterclass. I am eMind, undoubtedly recognized. Stay focused and stay technical.